Good morning, students. Hope all of you are keeping fine. So today you are going to learn fifth kind of noun. Which is the fifth kind? Fifth kind is countable noun. You are going to learn today countable noun. So let us learn the definition. Nouns which can be counted. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Nouns which you can able to count, which can be counted, are called countable nouns. Next point, countable nouns can be singular. Singular means one. Okay. Or plural. Plural means many, more than one. So remember, countable nouns can be singular or plural, one or many. Now look at this example, how it is formed: singular, plural. Man, only one man. More than one, we call it men. Again, one woman, more women. Boy, one boy, more than one boys. Cat, cats. Bus, buses. Baby, babies. So remember, countable nouns can be singular or plural. So children, you have learnt now what is countable noun. Nouns which can be counted are called countable nouns. Okay, so now let us learn what is uncountable noun. What is uncountable noun? Definition: nouns which cannot be, which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. Which you are not able to count, cannot be counted, are called uncountable nouns. Remember these points. In uncountable noun, we can only talk about quantity. Second point, they have only a singular form. They don't have plural form. They have only singular form, remember. Next point, we can't divide them separately. Okay, so they have only singular form. Next point, so most of the abstract nouns, already we have learnt what is abstract nouns. So most of the abstract nouns and names of substance are uncountable. So most of the abstract nouns and names of substance are uncountable. Okay, so remember all these points. So my dear children, here is an exercise for you, for your practice. Okay, so put right against countable nouns and cross against uncountable nouns. Read the following nouns and understand it first, whether you are able to count or unable to count. If you are able to count, then what will be countable? If you are not able to count, that should be uncountable. So, food, can you count? Think and put right. Coins, pens, curry, oil, rice, glasses, meat, mangoes, milk, air, hen, sailors, water. So read all these nouns and think and do it. One more exercise for you children. So fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns. You can take clues from the pictures. Look at the pictures. Okay, look at the pictures and fill in the blanks. What is this? What is this? Name is written. Some pictures name is not written. But then understand it and fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns. Okay. First one, a blade of dice, a pinch of dice. Look at this box. What is there? Read what it is written and write down. Again, spoon of dice, a cake of dice. Look at this picture. What exactly? Okay, so you can take clues from the pictures and fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns. There are altogether 9 are there. Okay. 1, a blade of dice. 2, a pinch of dice. 3, a spoon of dice. 4, a cake of dice. 5th, a drop of dice. 6, a heap of dice. 7, a bottle of dice. 8, a slice of dice. 9, a kilo of dice. Look at the pictures carefully and fill in the blanks with uncountable nouns. So for today is enough. Thank you children. God bless you.